Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about mute yourself, mute yourself with the Zoom toolbar part 2. Zoom toolbar part 2. If the toolbar isn't visible, if the toolbar isn't visible, and you are using Windows or a Mac, and you are using Windows or a Mac, Windows all you need to do is hover your mouse over the Zoom window. Hover your mouse over the Zoom window. If you are using an Android or iPhone, if you are using Android or iPhone, simply tap the screen and it will appear. Screen and it will appear. Note the loudspeaker icon at the top left. The loudspeaker icon at the top left of the screen simply turns your audio down so that you can't hear anything. You can't hear anything. It doesn't turn the mute on. It doesn't turn the mute on. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.